Hello kids, look at this color. It's a very nice and cute colors. Look at this. Today we learn these colors and draw 2D shapes. So first we learn these colors. So learn it. Yellow green color, green color, red color, sky blue color, grey color, forest green color, purple color, blue color, pink color. Now we draw some 2D shapes. So let's start. Triangle. It's a right triangle, kids. We draw a right triangle. Triangle, right triangle. Now we are drawing triangle. Triangle. Pie. It's a pie shape, kids. We are drawing pie. Pie. Now we draw heart. It's a heart shape, kids. Heart. Now we draw arrow. We are drawing arrow shape. It's arrow shape, kids. Arrow. Now we are drawing oval. It's oval shape. Oval. Let's learn some colors. Pink color, brown color, orange color, red color, yellow green color, forest green color, sky blue color, purple color, blue color, deep yellow color, light green color. Carmine color. Carmine color. Persian blue color. It's a Persian blue color, kids. Cerulean blue color. Cerulean blue color. Rose red color. Rose red color. Warm grey color. Warm grey color. Deep olive green color. Deep olive green color. Shapes. Right triangle, triangle, pie, heart, arrow, oval. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.